Hi friends, welcome to a Techies Talk. In this video, we are going to cover what is the web page development and what are all the front-end techniques involved in it. Most of us will get into a confusion that is UX, UI and front-end are all a similar process which is involved into the web page development. But is it so? Is UX, UI and front-end three things are same, unique, similar? Okay, let's go into video and get our confusion clarified. So before going into our video, please do subscribe our channel A Techies Talk and share it with your friends. Please do comment. So moving into our video, what is the first process in web page development? That is, in the software development life cycle, we will be having first requirement phase. In that requirement phase, we will be finalizing what are all the topics, what are all the things needs to be developed or included in our web page. So the first process is UX, then UI, then front end. While seeing this, everyone may be puzzled that all the three things are same or similar, right? But it is not. UX is different, UI is different and front end is totally different. UX is not UI. As I said before, in software development life cycle, requirement is the first process, and in that we have to do research, requirement gathering, and we need to develop user stories. What are all the possible things that needs to be included in our web page, and we need to do or include our prototype. In that prototype, every possibilities needs to be included. We need to check for the target audience, and based on their requirement or based on their taste, we need to develop the user stories. For example, if we are developing a clothing e-commerce platform, e-commerce web page, in that we need to guess what are all the taste for that audience. For example, if we take particular women related clothings, what are all the clothings involved, what are all the size they will be choosing, and how can we list out the sorting option, filtering option, where the logo needs to be displayed in order to attract our audience, and where are the other controls, add to cart button and save later button, save to wish list button. So where these buttons needs to be arranged. So these are all comes under UX. So before developing into a web page, before starting our page for development, we need to first figure out what are all the controls needs to be there and where we need to place those controls. There should be interaction design. Usability testing will be done in the phase of UX itself. So this is the prototype where we will be finalizing where the logo needs to be displayed, what are the other control, where the banner should be displayed, and the tiles and the footer, header, everything will be displayed, will be finalized in this UX mode. The tools used for developing this prototype is Sketch, Azure, Adobe XD, Pencil. So with the help of this, we can be developing our prototype and we can produce it to our client. So once after his approval, we will be proceeding with the UI. UI is nothing but user interface. So in that user interface, we will be developing the layout, visual design and branding, and mainly interface design and adaptation in all the device. So don't panic about these terminologies. These terminologies are just a keyword, but basically we will be developing our static web page code, and we will be testing whether it is suitable in all the devices, and this page will be working perfectly for the next level. So before developing the interaction between front end and back end, we need to check whether the UI, that is the user interface, or the visual design for that particular web page is fine, and whether it's suitable or it will be working in all the devices. Comparing to the previous level, today in our modern technology we have lot of devices. Once we develop a web page, that needs to be working properly in laptop, in desktop, PCs, and with all kind of resolutions, iPad or mobile, Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Safari. So all these we will be testing in this user interface level itself. So once we develop with the static web page, it involves only HTML and CSS. More work with the JavaScript will not be involved in this phase. We will be concentrating only in designing, visual designing, branding with the logo development will be happening in this phase, logos and the banner development, and after that we will be developing with the static web page. And so once after tested with all the resolution, then we will be proceeding to the level further. The editors which we use for user interface is Notepad++, Sublime or Atom. The HTML and CSS can be developed in any kind of editor, which makes our work simple. So what is front-end development? Already we have developed with HTML and CSS in the user interface, but it will not be any interaction will not be possible with the UI level. So then comes front-end development, where JavaScript and other client-side technologies will be involved. So only in the front-end development phase the user interaction will be available, and we can still more develop our web page into a next level. So as it mentioned, a front-end developer builds website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and other common client-side technologies, whereas UI only deals with HTML and CSS. So in the backend development, we will be obtaining the actual data. I can tell you with an example, that is just take a simple form where username and password needs to be displayed and needs to be entered, and they have a one button for submit button. But in case of static web page, we can find only the controls, that is one text box, two text boxes and two labels and one submit button. It will not do anything unless and until we have involved a front-end development with some JavaScript. In that backend code, we will be having some database. In that database, the actual username, password, what are all the available username and password will be stored in a particular database, and with the help of backend code we will be fetching those data. And in the front end, we will so once after the button click, that is once after user clicked the entered the user ID and password, then click to submit, there we need to check whether they have entered the correct username or password. For that interaction between the backend and the user, we need a front-end technology. So there comes the use of JavaScript, and with the help of an AJAX call, we will be checking whether the username and password is available in that particular database. So once after we check whether if it is success, it will allow the user to enter into that web page. If it is an error, that is if the username or password does not match, or if username does not exist, then it will simply throw an error and it will not navigate to any other page. It will just remains in the same page. So this is the front end development, and basically we need the front end development for having an interaction between the user and the backend datas. So front-end development is responsible for making our interface run with basic static web page developed by the UI developer. So whatever the UI developer develops with the static web page with the HTML and CSS, so without JavaScript it will be an useless. We can just visualize the web page, but there will not be any user interaction. If we need an user interaction for our web page, then front end development needs to be evolved. So we have many JavaScript frameworks have been evolved now, that is jQuery, Dojo, Angular, React, Node, Vue, and we have several JavaScript things where we can make our front end development still more effective. So now we have come to the end of the video. So I think I have been cleared all your doubts, that is UX is nothing but user experience, UI is user interface, and front end development is making the interaction between the user and the backend data. So now we have clear that three things are completely different and it cannot be similar. So hope it will be useful to all. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you.